hold this tuning pin when I'm tick. I hope that I can tune this piano. Sometimes when the pianos get old, that means the wood get dry and the pins, if you can see it. Hello. Today I'm going to tune this Brasted piano. And I have some problems here with that. The tuning pins are not holding very well, like here. They are a little loose, the tuning pins, so I have little space to put them little inside with a hammer. And I hope that they will be stiff after I put them little inside. And that's what I'm gonna do now. Before I start tuning, I put the strings here. This one or some other, I found it. That just little inside with the tuning pin. Little here. The left string here. At least they are much stiffer now. Still a little loose, this one. Okay, here we sucking in the top. You okay? Now I have been putting the tuning pins, some of them a little inside, not a lot. There's a little click, and they are holding better now. I hope that I can tune this piano. Sometimes when the pianos get old, that means the wood get dry and the pins are not stiff in the hole. So sometimes we have little space to put them little inside to make them more stiffer. Or we have to take all the pins out, drill it again, longer, thicker tuning pins inside. Depends on what kind of piano it is. And then if we do that, then we change all the strings also. Sometimes we get away with, if the bass strings are still good, but sometimes we have to, and usually we have to change the bass strings also when you change the tuning pins, the steel strings and the bass strings. That's the best what you can do. Do not just half of it and leave it like this. And then we have sometimes still little problems with the old strings that they are not sounding very well. But the lifetime of the strings are not forever. And yeah, I'm going to tune this piano and yeah, we find out at the end how it's going to sound. It sounds like this here before. This one is a little low, so we just put a little inside. Usually I have my tool with me, but I don't have it in my toolbox. So I can hold this tuning pin when I'm putting them inside, but I don't have it today. Because I didn't expect it today to do this kind of job. Okay, now I can start tuning. So now I have been tuning this piano. It's old, it's not something the greatest, but sounds better, but it's never perfect, the tunings in these old pianos with the strings. At least they are holding the pitch now. I was putting a few of them little inside the tuning pins to get more, how do you say, grip, or they are more stable there. And yeah, but it sounds better now. To take a look at some of the hammers, like here we have this hammer here. It's touching, it's stuck here. I have to take them little away from each other. Take this one little because this little bended this one, and this one is not hitting very well the string here, the right string. So I just move it little to right, and there's also something here also. I have to move the hammer a little, this one little to left, if you can see it. So it's in the middle and hitting better the strings. That is what I'm gonna do now. Sometimes when we are working on the old piano, it's a little tricky to fix them because some things are on that time that we maybe have to to change them and put new things into it. The hammer is not any longer touching like it was before here. It was touching it and it was stuck like this. So I was just moving the right hammer a little away. I had to do it a little more. I have a little space on the right side. And loose it little the bolt. And then I bend it little and we have more space here. So I have to move this one, this hammer here. It's too much you have to move it to left a little. It's not hitting well the strings here. It's just touching the left string a little. Here, I have to move this one a little to right. This one a little through. And then after that, I have to check how the sound is. So I have to put some little sandpaper on it because I've been moving this strings, the hammer a little away. I put it in the best position I can find for the hammer. Because I was moving the hammer a little too much to left, so the sound was a little different. It's equal to the hammers beside it, so I don't have to put sandpaper on it. But sometimes when we move it a little, the hammer heads, and they are not hitting as they have been hitting the strings maybe for 30, 50, 60 years, then we have to take up sandpaper on the pellet here and find out if it's straight on the string and the sound is better. So this is the piano I was tuning. It's okay for this old piano, and so one more here. I have to move a little to left. So this was it. So now I've been fixing this piano, tuning, and now I'm going to put it together. Thank you for watching and staying here with me. See you later. Bye bye.